Hello everyone, I am Farheen Saftar and today I am going to discuss about West Nile virus. So let's move towards the topic. So West Nile virus is a single-stranded RNA virus which belongs to family Flaviviridae and genus Flavivirus. It is the causative agent of West Nile fever and it was discovered in the west of River Nile located in Uganda. It is a zoonotic virus, which means it primarily cause infection in animals, but infection can transfer from animals to humans by a route of transmission, which we will discuss later on. As it is a zoonotic virus, it primarily causes infection in birds and animals, majorly horses. This virus primarily causes low-grade fever, but on later stages it can affect their nervous system, which can cause them severe problems like weakness, dizziness, loss of coordination, and even paralysis. Talking about its route of transmission, this virus transferred by a species of mosquito known as Culex species, and female Culex species usually feed on birds. So when this mosquito bites an infected bird, and it becomes the reservoir of that infection. And when the same mosquito bites a healthy person, then it is a route of transmission from animals to humans. Its route of transmission from human to human is very rare. If you are living close to an infected individual, then you cannot get this infection until it gets a proper route of transmission like blood transfusion, organ transplant, breastfeeding, or placental exchange from mother to fetus. It is also found in ticks, but it is not found if they play a role in its transmission or not. So what does it cause? West Nile virus and West Nile fever can lead the infected organism to meningoencephalitis, which is inflammation of brain along with the meninges. If explained in simpler words, our brain and spinal cord have layers around it. These layers are called meninges. There is also a fluid present between these meninges known as CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, and these combinedly give lubrication and protection to our brain from damages and shocks. So this is a severe medical condition in which brain gets inflamed along with the meninges, which can lead to other severe medical problems such as paralysis, seizures, or tremors. Talking about symptoms, different animals have different symptoms. Some are behavioral and some are physical. So we will discuss about them one by one. So first of all, in horses, there are symptoms like discomfort, laziness, lameness, dizziness, weakness, inability to stand, and low-grade fever. In birds, there are symptoms like uncoordinated movement, paralysis of wings and legs, torticollis, which is twisting of neck to one side, opisthotonus, which is extreme arcing of neck and back due to muscle spasms. In healthy human beings, it is asymptomatic or have mild symptoms like fever, chills, headache, and vomiting. But these kind of rashes on the skin can be its clinical representation. In people with medical problem, it can be severe. It can cause the meningoencephalitis, which may lead to seizures, vein problems, alteration of mental state, severe headache, stiffness of muscles around neck, tremors in upper extremities like in hands, and weakness can be so severe that it can require medical attention. So, how can we diagnose this virus and this infection? In horses, it can be firstly seen in their behavior, and you can check the locality and see if the people have the typical symptoms of this virus or not. Blood test can be done, which is IgM antibody test that can be used to detect the specific antigen. IgM antibody test is done at the initial stages of the infection. Later on, IgG antibody test can be done. Tissue sample can also be taken from organs of dead or paralyzed animal like tissues of brain, kidneys and spleen can be used for virus isolation. PCR can also be done for tissue sample. Talking about its treatment, it is a self-limiting disease in healthy individuals, so there is no specific treatment. Only medical care can be provided to the patient, but in chronic cases damage may not resolve, so infected organism may be left with chronic disabilities. There is only one way to prevent this virus, which is controlling mosquitoes using mosquito repellents or spraying larvicide in animal farms or getting rid of stagnant water. These can be the preventive measures you can take. Talking about its vaccine, there is no vaccine available for humans, but for animals and birds, vaccine is available in the market. So that's all from my side. I hope this topic helped you to discover some new information and awareness. Thank you for watching this video.